Assalamu alaikum everyone. Eid Mubarak. Eid is a time for joy, celebration, and of course, delicious meaty treats. But do you ever feel guilty after indulging in all those sugary delights? Well, today I'm here to share how you can enjoy your favorite Eid desserts mindfully, make smarter choices, and even try some healthier alternatives so you can celebrate guilt-free. Stay tuned because I'll also be sharing some super easy, healthier dessert recipes that taste just as amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on my healthy living tips. Let's get started. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about why mindful eating is important, especially during Eid. Prevents overeating. When we eat too fast or without thinking, we tend to overindulge. Mindful eating helps us enjoy our sweets without overdoing it. Better digestion. Savoring every bite helps your stomach process food better, preventing bloating and discomfort. More satisfaction. When you truly taste and appreciate your dessert, you'll feel more satisfied with less. Tip: instead of eating sweets while chatting or watching TV, take a moment to really enjoy the flavors and textures. You don't have to say no to desserts, just make smarter choices. Here's how. Balance your plate. Before reaching for a dessert, make sure you've had a balanced meal with protein and fiber. This will prevent sugar spikes. Portion control. Instead of having 3 servings of sheer khurma, enjoy a small portion and truly savor it. Choose natural sweeteners. Opt for desserts made with dates, honey, or jaggery instead of refined sugar. They add nutrients and keep you full longer. Add healthy ingredients. Make your desserts healthier by using oats, nuts, dark chocolate, and fruits instead of processed ingredients. Now for the best part, some delicious yet healthier desserts you can enjoy guilt-free this Eid one. Date and nut stuffed barfi, no sugar, no ghee. Ingredients: 1 cup dates, soft and pitted. 1/2 cup almonds and walnuts, crushed. 2 tsp desiccated coconut. 1 tsp cardamom powder. Instructions: 1. Blend dates into a thick paste. 2. Mix in the nuts, coconut, and cardamom. 3. Press into a tray, refrigerate for an hour, and cut into squares. Done. Bonus: this is packed with fiber, protein, and natural sweetness. 2. Sheer khurma, lighter and healthier version. Ingredients: 1 liter almond or low-fat milk, 1/2 cup whole wheat vermicelli, 1/4 cup chopped dates and nuts, 1 teaspoon rose water, 1 teaspoon honey or coconut sugar. Instructions: 1. Lightly toast the vermicelli without oil. 2. Boil the milk and add the nuts, dates, and honey. 3. Add the vermicelli and simmer for 5 minutes. 4. Stir in rose water and serve warm. A creamy and indulgent Eid classic without the guilt. So there you have it. Eid desserts can be enjoyed mindfully and healthily, without giving up on taste. Remember, eat slowly and savor every bite. Pick natural sweeteners and healthy ingredients. Try these easy, healthy dessert recipes for a guilt-free indulgence. If you love these tips and recipes, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content.